Yo YouTube, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get working Chewy promo code. As you can see, I've applied my promo code and I get this absolutely for free. And this video today I want to share with you how to get your working Chewy promo code, discount code in 2023 absolutely for free. So how you do it? It's very easy. Open browser, go to this website, key codes. This website allows you to generate a lot of coupons including the Chewy. So type this, enter our email address. Also in this email address our working coupon code, discount code will be displayed. Select our platform. It's work for only for mobile device. And now as you can see everything is generated. So we wait to finish this process. After finish of this process, our working Chewy promo code, discount code in 2023 will be displayed on our screen, also sent to our email address. Don't worry, it's absolutely for free. And now as you can see everything is worked. This is my working Chewy coupon code in 2023. Thank you for watching.